We are back with our series On the Money, counting down to tax season. Starting next week, you can start filing those returns and some everybody's so happy. Big changes this year. NBC News senior business correspondent Christina Romans is going to break down what we need to know.
More money in your pocket this year, I think.
Okay. All right. So what are some of the dates we need to know, the numbers?
So January 26th, that's when you can start to file. You might not have all the forms and paperwork yet, but at least you can start getting that all together. There are some, especially if you have some investment accounts, those won't start coming in until February. But the first day to file is January 26th. And the refunds, $3,800 on average, according to the Tax Foundation. That's up 25%. So that's more money in your pocket this year in tax season, which is another reason to get it done early and get all of your things together. Also, the first $31,500 per couple and $15,750 for single people. It's tax-free. That's your standard deduction. That's what right off the top is going to come off of there of your adjusted gross income, and that is up considerably over the last year. So those are some important numbers to remember here. $31,500, that's up quite a bit from last year.
Let's talk about tax deductions and some changes this year.
Yeah, some big ones here. If you're 65 and older, you don't even need to itemize. You're going to get this $6,000 bonus right off the top. So that is brand new for seniors. That is
wait a minute. There's probably an income cap. There's probably an income cap.
You can see Al about a loan after the show. The $10,000 in car interest is tax deductible. Also, you don't need to itemize for that. But is your car you bought last year, does it qualify? You need to look at the VIN number and go to some VIN decoders online. You can find out if it's assembled in the U.S. $10,000 of car interest from a car you bought last year is tax-free. Tips and overtime, that is like $25,000 in tips and $12,500 in OT are tax deductible. That's important. And then this one, the big one on the bottom, the state and local tax deduction cap. That big, long, alphabet soup. It has been raised from $10,000 to $40,000. There are middle-class families in New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, California, Illinois, who are going to get a lot more money back because of that big tax bump there from the SALT tax cap. So that's only temporary, but that is a big number for folks. And you do need to itemize to get that one.
Well, let's talk about some tax credits as well, Christine, because there's some changes to a few of those.
If you bought an electric vehicle before September 30th last year, there is a benefit, a tax credit for that. But you had to get it last year, so you can check there that $7,500 EV tax credit. Did you put in new windows, energy efficient windows? Did you put in, new front door? Did you do any kind of energy efficient home improvements? Those maybe also you can get a credit for. Those have expired. They're not going to happen again. So maybe look through your receipts and see if you did any home improvements there. The child tax credit bumped up to $2,200. That is an increase. And then there's these
700 kids.
There you go.
Works out great.
Then there are these new savings accounts for kids. If you had a kid born in 2025 or 2026, 27, 28, there's going to be $1,000 the government's going to put in. There's going to be a new form to file with that one that should be up and running by the summer. And if you add money in, $5,000 you can put into that it's kind of like an IRA for babies. So it's kind of like a new savings account. I love new savings accounts.
Okay, and then what about getting ready for your taxes and filing and doing that stuff?
So start to get those terms, the forms in. April 15th is the deadline to file, but if you need more time, file for an extension. That's not very hard to do.
But even if you owe, you still have to
you still have to pay. So just, it's better to get it done if you can. Check out Free File. If you make less than, I think, $89,000 a year, you can do Free File with the IRS.gov. There's a direct file that's not going to be in use anymore. So there's some changes for people who were direct filing before. And I always say this, use direct deposit for your refund. It comes more quickly. The IRS recommends that you do that. So make sure you're all up to date on the IRS.
Christine, just really quickly, there have been all this talk about the idea that there are fewer IRS employees. Are you going to have problems calling helplines and things like that?
The Treasury Secretary says you're not going to, that they're going to be ready for this tax season, and they're actually quite enthusiastic by how much money people are going to be getting back, but we will stay on that to make sure that they are. That's another reason to do it early, Al, right?
No one gets more excited about tax season than Christine Romans, by the way. It's like your Super Bowl.
It's right before the Super Bowl. That's even what's so better. Right after Christmas, before the Super Bowl.
Thank you, Christine.
Thank you so much.
Right. Hey, thanks for watching. And don't forget, you can catch the Today Show every morning on NBC or take Today when you're on the go. Just follow the Today podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you listen.